Yesterday, I was like, hey, this is not nearly as much fun as it was a couple weeks ago.
Absolutely. And it's another one of those days. This is what it looks like out. I think today we'll even see temperatures that are a little warmer just because yesterday at this time we actually did have a little more cloud cover. I see it clearing out a little faster, and that's just an indicator of temperatures that are going to be climbing a bit quicker too. 83 degrees right now from our trend tower camera in Rockwall with a southwest wind at about 10. Temperature of 85 degrees at DFW Airport. Factor in the humidity and it actually feels like 89. That number will continue to climb until we eventually reach about 100. That'll happen today like it happened yesterday. Today, I do think we'll make it to about 89, 90 degrees around 2, close to about 93, 94 degrees around 4. The heat index will be in the triple digits with a lot of sunshine. And because we hold on to so much humidity, we're just not going to cool down too much overnight. I think we'll still be in the low 80s by the time midnight rolls around. 94 for the high today in Denton, 93 in McKinney, about 93 in Fort Worth. Normal this time of the year is 91. We'll be trending just a few degrees above that today. Factor in the humidity again. It'll feel like the triple digits in Fort Worth, Dallas, and in McKinney. And a lot of our eastern counties will be in the upper 90s, nearing 100 for that feels like temperature. And that'll be the case here as we head towards the next several days. You'll see that temperature climbing about a degree. Over the weekend, we had quite a bit of rain. It left our ground saturated, and the drier that ground gets, the easier it'll be for these temperatures to climb every day. Factor in the humidity that's being brought on by that southerly wind from the Gulf. It's actually going to make it feel warmer than the actual temperature every afternoon. The heat index will be anywhere between 100 to about 105 today through Sunday. And high temperatures, or actual high temperature, will be trending about 3 to 5 degrees warmer than what's considered normal for this time of the year. We're looking rain-free today, tomorrow, and on Thursday. It's not really till Friday that we see a little rain potential in the morning, Saturday afternoon, and then more so on Sunday. So let's talk about what that could look like. This is just the latest model data. We could very well see this change, but this is around 6 p.m. Thursday. Notice how we just see some cloud cover, any rain generally closer to the panhandle. We are looking at slightly better rain chances come late Thursday into Friday morning, especially along the Red River. This is around 5 in the morning Friday, and you can see it right there. I do think that the lower this moves, or the more southern this goes, we're going to see less coverage. So I'm going with about a 20% for Friday morning. By the afternoon, I think a lot of us will be rain-free, just seeing some cloud cover. On Saturday, rain will be hard to come by, but I do think that we could see a little rain primarily along our southern counties during the afternoon. And then it's not until Sunday that our next system comes in, and that system, that front, could very well help bring in some rain chances. This is around 3 in the afternoon. Notice how the rain's still along the Red River. Eventually, we'll see slightly higher coverage late afternoon into the evening. That happens to coincide with a big game happening on Sunday, the World Cup. The Netherlands taking on Japan at Dallas Stadium in Arlington, Texas. Temperatures are going to be in the the mid 90s with about a 30 to 40% chance of rain. I was thinking 40% coverage of rain. Temperatures in the mid 90s, the heat index likely in the triple digits, and we'll see some rain moving in again Sunday, going into Monday, and that will help bring our temperature down to 90 degrees. I've got 40 on the mind, Kara. I don't know why.
No one thought it was actually going to be 40 some odd degrees.
I'm glad I caught myself though, you know?
Maybe if you step into a working freezer.